And I think, seeing as we have the wheel off, I've got a decent tyre there. We might put a chunky rear tyre on. That is, of course, the rear tyre from the Mk1 frame with the broken sprocket. There's nothing actually wrong with that frame. It's always just been the derailleur, and of course the rear wheel from the original Mk2 is the scalloped one that's right back there. So this frame's just been basically spare parts I harvested from that to get the Mk2 going again. But the Mk2, this is where it gets confusing. Mk2 has the rear wheel from the Mk3, and the Mk3 has the rear wheel from that BMX down there. So I had all three bikes running this morning, first time they've been fired up in a month. Now the Mk2, I'm having alignment issues at the moment because it's a quick release and it's just, it doesn't sit well without, you know, sort of moving. And as soon as it shifts out of alignment, there's no chain tensioner on there, nothing to sort of help keep it in line. So it just binds up against the spokes. So I'm hoping to get this running fairly reliably again soon. This one, as we can see here, I love this small wheel on the bike, but can you see the alignment in the frame there? It's just, I'm gonna have to, I've got spaces in that side and nothing in that side. So both of these bikes here have to be pulled apart and properly serviced before I can really ride them, because this bike, with that wheel being so off center, it wobbles like this as you're riding. I only took it around the block a few times and it felt sketchy. That and the fact that the tire's a bit soft doesn't help either. But I do have some plans for repairing these two bikes. But that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about the Mk4.